You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American attorney and a former United States Secretary of State. Mike Pompeo is the American English pronunciation. I believe his name would be of Italian origin. Pompeo. Pompeo would be the Italian pronunciation, but in English, Mike Pompeo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.